Hello, I am Sakshi Pise, a student of BSc third year Biotechnology, Shri Shivaji Science College. Today, I will be presenting on metalloporphyrins. So, under this topic, I will be covering the following contents. Introduction, example of metalloporphyrins, heme myoglobin and hemoglobin, role of hemoglobin and myoglobin in oxygen transport, application of porphyrins. Now discuss about metalloporphyrins. Introduction. One of the most important way in which metal ions are involved is in the complex with a type of microcyclic ligand called porphyrin. Metalloporphyrins are cyclic compound formed by the linkage of the pyrrole ring through methylidine bridge. Porphyrins are macrocyclic tetrapropyl system with conjugated double bonds. Porphyrins are differentiated by the kind and order of substituents occupying the 8 peripheral position of pyrrole ring of porphyrins. Of many kinds of porphyrins found in nature, only uroporphyrin, caproporphyrin, and photoporphyrin have clinical significance. The porphyrin molecule consists of 4 pyrrole rings, are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, and methylidine bridge are labeled as alpha, beta, gamma, and delta. The porphyrin molecular have various substituents at position 1 to 8. These substituents are generally methyl group, ethyl group, vinyl group, acetic acid residues, and propionic acid residues. The example of metalloporphyrins, that is myoglobin and hemoglobin. Chlorophyll present in green plants is a magnesium porphyrin complex. Heme group present in heme proteins like myoglobin and hemoglobin is a iron porphyrin complex. Heme protein, myoglobin and hemoglobin. The chief heme proteins are myoglobin, hemoglobin, cytochrome and some enzymes. All these proteins are characterized by presence of heme group. Heme group consists of a Fe2 plus ion coordinated with porphyrin ligand. The heme protein myoglobin is present in muscle tissue, while the heme protein hemoglobin is present in red blood cells, that is RBCs. Myoglobin consists of a protein chain folded around the heme group in which a way that the entire structure becomes hydrophobic, preventing the entry of water up to heme group. The molecular weight of myoglobin is about 17,000. It can reversibly combine with oxygen. Some information about hemoglobin. Hemoglobin consists of 4 units of myoglobin. Each subunit contains a heme group and a polypeptide chain. It can be considered as an approximate treatment of myoglobin. Its molecular weight is about 64,500. Hemoglobin can reversibly combine with oxygen and transport oxygen in the body. Both myoglobin and hemoglobin contain a non-protein part A, heme group, and a protein part, that is globin. The protein part consists of several amino acids like in a complicated manner. In the heme group, iron are present in Fe2 state and its coordination number is 6. 4 coordination positions are occupied by 4 nitrogen atoms of pyrrole ring of porphyrin group. 5th position is attached to the nitrogen atom and histidine residue of protein chain. The 6th coordination position is used for coordination of oxygen molecule in oxyhemoglobin. Role of hemoglobin and myoglobin in oxygen transport. The purpose of hemoglobin is to transfer oxygen from its source, that is, lungs, gills, or skin, to the place of its use in a muscle cell. In lungs, during inhalation, the hemoglobin binds oxygen molecule to its iron atom and is converted into oxyhemoglobin. The oxyhemoglobin then comes in the muscle tissue. Here, the oxygen from oxyhemoglobin is transferred to myoglobin, which stored it until it is required for metabolic activities. In this purpose, oxyhemoglobin is deoxygenated. This deoxygenated hemoglobin then binds the carbon dioxide by using some amino groups and carry it back to the lungs in the form of HCO3 bicarbonate ions. CO2 is given out during exhalation. Thus, hemoglobin and myoglobin performs following functions. Hemoglobin binds oxygen molecule in lungs and bring it to the muscle cell. Myoglobin takes up oxygen from oxyhemoglobin and store it for metabolic activities. Hemoglobin binds CO2 in muscle cells and bring it to the lungs in the form of bicarbonate ions, and here CO2 is released out. Application of porphyrins. Photodynamic therapy. Porphyrins have been evaluated in the context of photodynamic therapy, since they strongly absorb light, which is then converted to energy and heat in the illuminated areas. PDT is considered a non-invasive cancer treatment involving the interaction between light of a determined frequency, a photosensitizer, and oxygen. This interaction produces the formation of highly reactive oxygen species, usually single oxygen as well as superoxide anion, free hydroxyl radical, or hydrogen peroxide. These high reactive oxygen species react with susceptible cellular organic biomolecules such as lipids, aromatic amino acids, and nucleic acids heterocyclic bases to produce oxidative radicals that damage the cells, possibly inducing apoptosis or even narcosis. Second one is organic geochemistry. The field of organic geochemistry had its origin in the isolation of porphyrins from petroleum. This finding helped establish the biological origin of petroleum. Petroleum is sometimes fingerprinted by analysis of trace amount of nickel and porphyrins. Third one is toxicology. Heme biosynthesis is used as biomarker in environmental toxicology studies, while excess production of porphyrins indicates organochlorine exports leads inhibits ALA dehydrates enzyme. Thank you for watching the video.